Hi, I'm David Johnson. I am the BIC here at Keller SouthPark, and I am also in charge of the productivity coaching program.
Hey, I'm Kelsey Sullivan. I am the Director of Operations for the productivity coaching program here at Keller SouthPark.
So one thing that we know is that success in real estate is directly correlated to the number of conversations you're having. Productivity coaching is really designed to help you maximize those number of conversations and to have a number of relationships with people so you can build your business.
Yeah, it's truly just a relationship business, right? All about having those conversations, as David said. And we provide you with the tools, systems, and models to be able to have those conversations at a very high level and convert leads and therefore get money in your pocket.
We understand at the beginning of your real estate career, it can feel a bit overwhelming. There's a lot to learn, obviously, as you would in any new job. And we're here to sort of calm the waters, to help you deal with all the technology you need to learn. Understand the systems and models to help you become successful in real estate.
So there are actually 5 jobs of a real estate agent: lead generation, lead follow-up, going on appointments, negotiating contracts, and script practice and role play. What we do here in coaching is we help you figure out how to do all those jobs at a very high level. And it's important to know you can't do any of those jobs until you have leads, right? Lead generation is the #1 thing you need to focus on when you're starting out your business and beyond. So we provide you with systems, tools, and models and ideas to help you really grow your lead generation and have conversations with people.
We meet every morning at 8 a.m. via Zoom to make sure that you're up and ready, having conversations, and able to script practice. So you take a few practice swings before you actually get out there and deal with some real live clients. We work through FSBO scripts and scripts for expireds, talking to your sphere, any of those sorts of conversations that are going to help you really get into business.
Yeah, it's really all about getting up, dressing up, and showing up, and that's what those 8 a.m. calls are designed to help you do. Right? It's really easy when you own your own business and you're starting out in a new industry to kind of let the day get away from you, and those 8 a.m. calls are designed to help you get your day straight, right? Have a plan, know what you're going to do that day.
Keller Williams is considered one of the top training organizations in the world, and we leverage that to your benefit. We have the Ignite program that we'll coordinate. We help make sure that you go into the classes, and that supplements all the work that we're doing within the productivity coaching program. As a North Carolina BIC, of course, I'm well versed in the contracts that are going to be used in your business. So when you have any questions about an offer to purchase, a backup addendum, any of those sorts of things, of course, we're here to help you with all of that. And we go through all the mechanics of building comparative market analysis, right? How do you do a CMA? What's a good comp? When you run into those questions, you're never sure right when you're starting your business. We're here to make you more comfortable with that before you go out and meet with clients.
There's a famous quote from a Keller Williams agent who's been with us for, years. Her name's Diana Kokoska, and she said, "You're really unemployed in this business until you have your first contract." Our ultimate goal is to help you get to that first contract, and once you're there, walk you through it step by step, hold your hand through the process. We find, we can teach you everything you need to know, but sometimes when you get to that first deal and that first client, everything goes out the window because you're so excited and so stressed. So we're here to support you through that process and make it as easy and simple as possible for you.
Technology is certainly a big part of real estate these days, and Keller Williams prides itself on a lot of the technology it's been building over the last couple of years. We have fantastic options to help you generate your own marketing material, to build your database, which is absolutely key to your success, and mechanisms to stay in touch with all of the people that you know. We're here to help you with the technology so that you can put it to best use and build your business as quickly as possible.
Some other tools we have at your disposal are a resource library filled with hundreds of documents, checklists, scripts. If you can think of it, it's probably in there. You have easy access to these tools 24/7.
We meet you where you are in your business. If you have a goal of 40 transactions this year, we're going to do everything we can to help you meet that goal.
Yeah, our ultimate goal is to help you hit your goal. So we're going to do everything we can within our power to help you reach that goal. Ultimately, our motivation is going to match your motivation. So if you are committed, we're 110% committed to your success.
Look, anytime you're starting a new business, it's reasonable and perhaps expected that you're going to be a little fearful. And a lot of that comes from simply not knowing what to do. We found that oftentimes agents are more frightened for a client to say yes than they are to say no. right? Because now if they say yes, you're going to have to go meet with them. Our goal is really to go through and help you understand what you're going to do when you meet with the clients and how to feel totally comfortable so that when you go in there, you're presenting yourself as the professional that you are.
I think something important to mention too is how much fun we have in this program, right? We're all here to help each other. You have a group of 100 other agents who are in your shoes. We laugh, we have fun, we give each other tips and tricks, and it's a good time. It can be daunting starting this new business, and it can be scary sometimes. And to have that level of support, not only from us, your coaches, but also from your peers, I think is very special and hard to find in this industry. We really look forward to working with you and helping you grow your business.